truly appreciate the beauty of Equator's EZ4600, let's explore its operational features. Setting up your super combo is quick and easy. Follow these simple steps for a hassle-free installation. Unbox the unit and ensure all parts are present. Remove the shipping rods. Level the unit on an even surface with adjustable feet. Choose your desired location, whether built-in or freestanding. Connect the cold and hot water inlet and outlet hoses securely. Plug the unit into a standard 110-volt power outlet. Turn on the power and you're ready to go. To use the EZ4600 in vented mode, ensure the metal vent cover over the exhaust fan is removed. Connect your vent hose to the vent hose adapter. Press Dry Only button to set the unit on drying cycle, and hold the Vented Ventless button for 5 seconds. Symbol of vent will appear on the screen, which confirms that the unit is in vented mode. To use the unit in ventless mode, ensure the metal vent cover is properly installed over the exhaust fan. Press Dry Only button and hold the Vented Ventless button for 5 seconds. Symbol of a box with lines through it will appear on the control panel, which confirms that the machine is in ventless mode. Press Start to run the dryer. No need for complicated tools or accessories. We've designed the installation process to be user-friendly, so you can start enjoying the benefits of Equator's EZ4600 Super Combo in no time.